tap on the power button icon to turn air fryer on. Turn the knob to choose from the 11 preset menu with DIY function. A blinking plus mist button indicates that the mist spray function is available for the selected preset option. Press the knob to confirm your selection. Turn the knob to desired temperature if required before pressing the knob to confirm. To adjust the preset timer, turn the knob to desired duration. Tap on the power button icon to begin cooking. Tap on the light button icon to turn on or off the light. How to turn off the mist function for preset menu. First, confirm your desired temperature and timer for the preset function. Then tap on the plus mist button to turn it off. Tap on the power button icon to begin cooking. To adjust temperature while cooking, tap on the knob once and turn the knob to desired temperature. To adjust timer while cooking, tap on the knob again. Turn the knob to desired duration. Tap on the power button icon to stop cooking. Tap and hold to turn off air fryer. How to use DIY function. First, press the knob to select DIY button. Second, turn the knob to set desired temperature and tap on the knob to confirm. Third, turn the knob to set desired timer and tap on power button icon to begin cooking. How to set preset menu function in advance with timer. For example, I want to air fry my bread to be ready exactly 30 minutes later. First, turn the knob to bread preset menu and press once to select. Second, press knob again to confirm temperature, then press knob again to confirm timer. Lastly, tap on the preset timer button and adjust timer to desired complete cooking time. How to refill the water tank from mist spray function. Remove the water tank from the back of the air fryer. Add water and cover with lid. Attach the water tank with lid back to air fryer. The MMAF 6 liters double heating air fryer with mist is now available island-wide at all authorized retail stores and online retailers. For more information, check out our e-store maya.sg.